going over your sprinkler system. And the question is, how long does it actually take to install your sprinkler system? And how much time should I allow and budget for this to happen? If it's a one-man show, I would give yourself, if your first time, I would give yourself at least 2 weeks to allow you to fail, to have some mishaps. If you're working with a friend or a contractor who knows exactly what they're doing, you could knock this out in a couple of days. The other delays might come in ordering your sod and rocks or whatever additional materials you would need. But the key thing here is by planning your type of terrain that you're dealing with, whether it's solid rocks, soft dirt, each of those will play huge factors as well. So in a normal environment where you're not dealing with extreme circumstances, you should be able to do this in a week. With help, less, and brand new, give yourself more time and no pressure. I'm Fernando, and this is Expert Village.